Hello geeks, in the previous video we have seen how to run your simple Java program, that is Hello World program. In this video we will see how to take input from the command line. Using your program you can also print the input taken from the command line. So without further delay, let's get started. So now let's move to the program folder that we have created in the previous videos. Here is the program folder. Now we can create an empty file here for storing our programs. We can open this file and we can start writing the code, starting with the class and the class name. So here the class name should be relevant to the code that we are going to write. So I'll be keeping it as cmd args, since we are going to take arguments from the command line. So I am keeping it as cmd args. Okay, so let's start writing the main function, which it starts from the public static void main. Okay, now we are passing string as an argument. So here is the array of strings. We will first declare two variables of type string, since the data which is coming from the command line will be of type string. Here you can see the args variable, which is an array of type string. It will store values coming from the command line in a sequential manner, and we can fetch these values using their index values. Now we will declare two variables, string A and string B. So let's declare A is equal to, now A will be storing the value which will be at the index position 0. So args index position 0, and the second variable will be string B, which will store the value at index position 1. Okay, A will store the first value from the command line and B will store the second. So now we will print these two values to see whether the values stored inside variable A and B are correct or not. We will print using system dot out dot println. In double quotes we can write value of A. Okay, concatenation operator, that is plus, and now we will be printing the value inside A, and again concatenation operator and double quotes we will write value of B. Okay, now we will print the value inside B. Okay, now let's save this program as the class name. Okay, cmd args, copy, and we will save it as command args. Okay, so change it as all files and save it with .java extension. Okay, now we can save this file. File is saved. We can minimize this. Now we can open the command line, that is cmd, to compile our file. Okay, so now first of all we have to move inside our folder, that is program folder, using cd command. Okay, now we are inside program folder. We can compile our file using javac command, javac, and the file name as cmd args.java. Okay, now we can compile this file. See, the file has been compiled successfully. Now we can run our Java program using Java command followed by the class name, that is cmd args, then space. The value that I want to pass is 10 and 20. Now I will press enter. Now you can see we have passed two values, that is 10 and 20, and we have stored inside variable A and B respectively. You can also perform some arithmetic operations on these values. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will see how to take input using command line with the help of scanner class. So till then, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.